Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we got the MasterAir MA620M RGB. This is basically a deviant of the Threadripper cooler, but now it's designed for other boards. This is going to be just giving you a quick tour of the packaging. We got a Master, Heatsink, all of that, and then we got the text specifications. It tells you what sockets it supports. It's a 6-pipe. It's got one fan, but it's basically like a servo fan. Let's quickly do an opening of the box. I already can't open it. Let's just get rid of that. As you can see over here, guys, it's a very classic cool Master design. We got our, I'll take it over. We got our cool Master stuff. As I can see, it comes with a RGB controller. If your board doesn't have a controller header, it comes with all the other standard stuff that we've got. Comes with the bracket mountings and obviously instructions, and then this is the cooler. Let's get this thing out. Quite massive. This is my current setup for video editing. RX 570. It only got 8GB RAM at the moment, and I want to change this AMD Wrath to this cooler. I've got an M.2. I've got a couple of drives. And we got the case. And this, guys, is the barbecue. Let's have a look underneath. We got 6 heat pipes on either side, and the airflow is facing that way. Let's install it and show you how it looks like. It comes standard. You either flip it and it'll be AMD. Trying to get in there. See, as you see, it says AMD. Otherwise, you flip it and you're going to mount it to your socket as Intel. My socket is AMD, so obviously I've mounted the screws, and it will then fit onto the back of the board. Okay, guys, so we need tools. As I discussed, that's the AMD socket, an Intel socket, it's like a dual. We're going to fit that through our hole, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to take, of course, these ones, one like this and one at the end, and we'll screw them in. Intel mounts and AMD mounts, just depends on which one you have. We're obviously going for the AMD ones. So here is that now. Go over that, attach. I'll show you guys now. Just like that. Hey guys, so just a quick trick. Please make sure that you put it in like this. I was doing it the other way, so that you can obviously screw it in. So the bracket is going to sit like so. What's quite nice about them is they give us this cool Master Pro gel. Let's use it. Make sure that we peel off the warning sign off the satisfying feeling. Now we're not quite sure obviously which side this is. This you can actually unscrew and flip over if it's the wrong side, so it's not a train smash here. As you can see on the mount itself, it's going to mount to the CPU, it's going to mount there, and it's going to put pressure on the actual mounting bracket, so that it'll obviously be touching. Make sure that it's going to make sense for you when you run your cable management which side it's going to go. In this case, I'm going to go with this side. That side, and that's firmly actually mounted onto the cooler. Then we can run all the cable management, set up run the RGB, and then we should be good to go, guys. Thanks. Like the controller, the RGB controller header is a clickable, as you can see, but what's really neat about this, guys, is the magnetic. It just clips wherever you want, you can put it, however, etc, etc. I've ran this cable in the back of the PC round into one of these connectors, and let's test, guys. Hey guys, so I've been running for around 18 minutes at 100% CPU load with heavy load, just to test temperatures. I've gone no further than 40 degrees at max load. That means that, and it's quite quiet at the same time. Let's check it how it looks. It's installed and it's looking very slick in its case with its RGB going at it. This heatsink is absolutely massive, and I really hope that it's going to be doing a good job. Let's test the RGBs as well. Wow, there's different pulse modes that we can test from. Whoa, and that looks like solid green, solid white, nothing, and we're back to the old one. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and join our channel for reviews and subscriptions and advanced repairs. Thanks for watching, guys.